3D Composites is a proof of concept company that utilizes additive manufacturing. We manufacture 3D printed parts for our customers that literally go from the reaches of outer space all the way to 10,000 feet under the ocean and everywhere in between because of the versatility of Envision Tech machines.
Some of the collaborative efforts between sales service companies, ACS, and 3D Composites have been for a number of Pacific Northwest spacecraft and aerospace manufacturers. We really knew right from the beginning that Envision Tech products with the resolution and different materials could really help expand what 3D Composites is currently doing.
We started with 2 printers, the Vector as well as the Envision One. In 4 months, we've probably done over 3,000 parts on our machines already. They've been a combination of aerospace parts, medical parts. With the Envision One, we can hold tolerances down to 0.2 of a millimeter, and these are on very, very, very small parts.
The Envision One CDLM technology offers our customers the capability to be competitive because of the speed.
The build time is just phenomenal for 3D printing. I mean, there's nothing anywhere close to it.
The Envision One is a really exciting printer where we can change out materials in a relatively short amount of time and one day produce silicone parts for a medical application, and then the next day I can swap out the material in a matter of minutes and be running aerospace parts.
E-rigid PU has a real nice toughness, so it works really good for composite parts for aerospace.
We were able to print 3 parts in 20 minutes of these small parts that would actually be going into the cockpit of 747s and produce the full run for a customer. Now there's about 40 of those parts flying around in 747s up in the sky right now, and will be for years to come.
The silicone type material that we print with is E5015. That works very, very well for gaskets and seals.
We were able to utilize the E5015 material to produce gaskets for a satellite, and will be orbiting Earth in space someday.
We're extremely excited to grow with Envision Tech. The technology is amazingly repeatable.